back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically create this trap door on your front porch area in Heartopia. So I'm just going to color this half wall using these lines here so that you can see where I'm placing stuff, I guess. Hopefully you can see that clearly. And I'm also going to place some floors as well here. We're going to need 4. Let's just remove this 4 bed. Okay, so then we are going to want to grab this low wall and we're going to place it 1 grid above this. So we're going to then glitch that. And sometimes it doesn't work on the first try, so just be patient. Honestly, it is a little bit tedious, so I do have to tell you that right now. Then grab another flooring, I guess, and we're just going to place it underneath that, and we're going to then remove these floors. Then you're going to want to need the light rug. Make sure the precision is on, and we're going to place it right there. Then we are going to get the low wall, and we're just going to place it just a little bit below this floor. You cannot do it right in the middle because you won't hit the spring door. Maybe just here, I guess. And we're just going to press the check mark button and glitch that again. Okay, I have to glitch it again because it didn't work the first time, which is a little bit annoying, but what can I do? Maybe here is good enough. Don't really know the precise placement for it. And then hopefully, okay, let's glitch this out first. Let's glitch it out to the sky, I guess it's where it's gonna go. And then we're going to get some flooring. I'm trying to do this as quick as I can. Flooring, here it is. And we're going to place it here. And then again, we're going to want to place it at the back. And I'm just going to remove these out of the way. I'm also going to color the flooring of this one first, so let's do that. Just to make it a little bit more pretty. Then we are going to want to glitch these floors out of the way, so let's do that as well. Again, doesn't work on the first try as usual. And then one more. We just need to glitch the 2 in the front. Alright, then we're going to go back to furnitures and we are going to need the pressure spring board. Press the check mark button like so. And then before I glitch everything out, I do want to place this back, and let's just remove that, and we are going to color it a different color. And then I'm just going to select complete because I don't want to take too much of your time, and hopefully this works. I tried this twice, by the way, so I'm hoping it works. Okay, so let's try this out. It seems like there's nothing, and I'm just going to walk to it, and as you can see, it's going to spring me kind of here. So I guess people can't really go to my house unless they go to the side area. But this is just the example. Obviously I didn't put it on my actual house because I don't really want to mess with it too much. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!